Hey guys, it's Yvette and I have another box to open with you and share. And of course, you will believe this, but you're never going to believe what happened. I got this box, very nondescript, just regular old medium flat rate box, right? Yeah, so I get a lot of those kinds of boxes, and I found this one sitting under a whole bunch of other boxes, and guess what it is? It's my little box of figs. Oh my goodness, I can't believe that I missed this. So let's get this open since it's taken me 800 years to open it. And it's because they take their lovely little box and they put it inside the medium flat rate box so that your little cute box doesn't get messed up inside. That's why they do that. Okay. So this is the last box for 2020. And I am signed up for 2021, so this will continue, guys. You'll be able to keep seeing those with me. Now, on this piece of paper, they will tell you everything that's included inside and just all the details that you need to know. I'm not going to read this whole thing to y'all because that's just cray. But that's where you'd find out all the information. Okay, so set that aside for now. And you want to see inside. There it is. See it peeking out. Hello. Hello. So let me get that out without dumping all the little Tiffany's on the floor. Oh, Lord. Oh, don't go all over the floor. Oh. Oh. Okay. Ooh, it's kind of heavy, too. All right. Are these the ones that, like, when you put water on them, they melt? I don't know. I'm going to try that out. It'd be like a little experiment. Okay, so here is the cute little box. And this is the spring edition. You can see all the little flowers around to the outside there. So let's open it up. When you take the lid off, there it is. Everything inside. That's a cute little pattern. Oh my goodness. Okay, so the pattern is called Buttercups. It's the mini Buttercups pattern. So cute. Unfortunately, it does look like applique. I'm just not a huge fan of applique right now. I think that we kind of, you know, fall in and out of love with certain things. Oh my goodness, I've got hiccups starting now. Oh my gosh, don't start hiccups. Jellybean has come over to, you see that, Jellybean? He's smelling everything in the box now. I'm telling you, it's not cat lady box, bud. Okay. Designed by Joanna Figueroa, pieced by Cheryl Hadley, and quilted by Marion Bolt. And that is the one that's on the front. Well, that looks kind of like a picture. Let's see. Well, I get, maybe it's a picture of the one that they actually made. You can't see the quilting is all I'm saying, but Marion Bolt. Okay. All right, Jellybean, here you go. I'll put it down there, but don't go taking those little things all over the house, okay? Just take like 1 or 2 out. Okay. Cute little pattern. I love this. I think it's adorable. Okay, so we have a mini charm pack of figs and shirtings, which is really cute. I hope we got more of that because I hate showing fabrics on a mini charm pack because they're so little. Anyway, okay, now we have this. It's an antique pair of scissors. Ooh, that's the pretty side. Antique pair of scissors, and it's like hanging on this leather strap. And so let me see, what did they say about that? Oh, Well, it says that it's jewelry, but I wouldn't wear this. That's just me. This is not my jewelry style for sure. But you can use this for like all kinds of other stuff. You could take the, you could always take the scissors off and use them for something else. You can use them as a pull or on a bag that's like a bigger bag, so it wouldn't like overpower the bag, you know. And there's other pieces I want to show you. Oops. I'm trying to take that off. Okay. So yes, you do have the leather strap. You could wear it like that if you wanted to, but it's not just the scissors. You also have these little round, I mean, so you could use these on like all kinds of projects. You could take it apart and like use it on different stuff, or you could just take this whole thing and put it on a bag if you want. That's probably what I would do actually. But what does this say? Okay, so these little ones. Okay, so this one is a ruler. The other one looks like it's just a piece of wood. Oh no, it says happiness is handmade. It looks like wood on the other side. See there? And then, like I said, you've got the two little circles, and then you have your big scissors. So that's cute. I mean, I wouldn't wear it as jewelry, but it is cute for like other stuff as far as I'm concerned. Okay. Now, we have a little booklet. It's a little grid booklet. So it says pollinators. And there's all the little things in there labeled, so you see what pollinates. But on the inside, it is a grid notebook. So you could do little doodles in there. You could, I mean, you could do anything with graph paper, really. So that's cute. Can't have enough notebooks, especially little ones like that. We got some Band-Aids, quilty Band-Aids. And I want to know what this is. Oh, okay. This is an Oh So Clean brush and cloth set. I think we got one of these in a sew sampler like last year or something. I haven't received the sew sampler in a while, but when I was still getting it, I know we got something like this, and it's really cute. Oh my goodness, look. So it's this cute little blue color, the teal color, and this is the towel, right? So I don't want to pull it out because then I'd have to try to put it together. But it's a little cloth that you can use, and it's got like little quilt blocks on it. And so it is a super cute little kit. Okay, now we're coming to all of the fabric, like the big pieces of the fabric. Okay, the little project is a springtime mug mat, and it's this little pattern down here, and so it's on the front page, so it's, you know, and so they are using the mini charm pack for that. And the mini charm pack, there we go. Let me see, how many can we make? Makes 4.5 inch by 6 inch mats. 1 yellow, 1 green, 1 red, and 1 blue. Okay, cool. So that's to make little mug mats. And then we have the main project, which is Buttercups. It's the mini Buttercups pattern. That light is really bright. The table, it's a table topper that would measure 33 inches square, but you could get more fabric and make it bigger if you want. So you could resize it. You could just keep adding more of those main blocks if you wanted to make either a tablecloth or whatever it is you want to do with it. Or you could just make one and make it, you know, whatever you want. So here's the fabric they included inside to use with the Buttercup pattern. And I think these are fat quarters. Does it say? Oh, hold on. for the Buttercups pattern info, it says we used the yellow flowers for the top portion of each buttercup and a variety of yellows for the petals and posts. We used the green dot for the stem and a variety of greens for the leaves and posts. We used the cream print for sashing. As I'm sure you will quickly notice, you will have a lot of extra yellow and green fabrics. We thought this block was so much fun to make that some of you might want to keep making blocks and turn this into a table runner or a lap quilt. So we included extra fabric to do that. You would need some more of the Chantilly off-white for the background and perhaps a grouping of cream prints for the sashing. If you make yours larger, tag me on social media. I would really love to see it. Okay, so that's why we're going to have a lot extra fabric. And then here is another yellow. This is a yellow with a white dot. And this one, it's just a random print. I thought maybe it might be something, but it's just a little random print. So it's yellow with a little white print and black dots. And this is a yellow with a flower print. Just a little tiny dainty flower print. And this is their cream with green and red on it. They have a lot of this one. It's very cute. And here is that green print with a white and black dot. Jellybean apparently likes it. And this is that green with the white flowers on it. Jellybean, go lay in your blanket, baby. And here's green with white dot. And here's that green with little pink flowers on it. And then they've given us a bunch of their, it's like an off-white. It's not cream. It's like an off-white. So it's not bright, bright white. And they gave us quite a bit of that. So you'll probably need more if you wanted to do something else, like a table runner or a lap quilt. But this is definitely enough to start on, that's for sure. Okay, so we've got 2 projects. We've got some jewelry. For me, it would be jewelry for a bag because I wouldn't wear it, but it's cute. I mean, it is cute. And we have a little mini charm pack of the fig and shirtings. I will give you guys, like, at least at the end and hope maybe somewhere like right here, right now, the different prints that you can find in figs and shirtings so that you can see it. It's just way too hard to do it with a mini charm pack. If I had at least a charm pack, you know I would totally go over all the fabrics with you. So let's see. What else do we have? Oh, and then we have the brush and cloth. We've got Band-Aids. And we have the notebook. Once again, there's our little... Ooh, I was about to drop that. Okay, so that's everything. Did you guys get it? Did you like it? Are you already done making everything? Because I was so late opening this up. I would love to see in the Jelly Beanies if you guys have anything that you'd want to share that you've completed. I would love to see that. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Mwah.